This Wi-Fi-ready 30-inch all-gas range by GE is part of the Profile collection. It has a print-resistant stainless front with a large black glass viewing window, one color-matched stainless handle, one pocket-style handle, and 5 color-matched knobs with markers that help easily identify burners. It comes with 2 edge-to-edge continuous dishwasher-safe matte cast grates, 1 cast griddle, and 5 sealed burners with removable caps. Burner output highs consist of one 5,000, one 9,500, one 10,000, one 18,000, and one 21,000 BTU tri-ring burner. The surface of this range is gray porcelain. The control panel is glass touch with several oven functions, including no preheat air fry, numerical keys, and an easy-to-read LED display. The 5.4 cubic foot self-cleaning oven comes with 3 flat racks, 5 rack positions, 1 oven light, and a convection fan. The 1 cubic foot lower drawer serves as added storage for flat pans or baking sheets.